Summer's here. Time for summer cookouts and family reunions. But every time the grill master says it's time to eat, you say, not for me. Sound familiar? Well, today that changes. This looks like a hot dog, charged like a hot dog, and it's made with one vegetable, which is why it's about 80 cents per serving. It's 100% plant-based, and I'm releasing this one outside of our normal schedule, so you're not standing at the 4th of July cookout, staring at a bowl of watermelon, wondering what you're supposed to eat. Now grab a pen and follow along. This is where we build the shape that fools every single person at the table. Round off the ends so they actually look like hot dogs. That's it. No weird ingredients, no fake meat, just affordable vegetables doing all the work. This is the real magic, the marinade. It makes the carrots taste like real hot dogs. This is going to give it that smoky, sweet, and savory flavor like it's been sitting on a grill. Place the carrots in a Ziploc bag and cover them with the marinade. Seal it up and let it sit. Overnight is best, but at least 4 hours if you're short on time. Once your carrots have soaked up all the flavor, it's time to cook them. Move the carrots and the marinade into a medium pot. Add 1.5 cups of water. Cook on medium heat until the carrots are tender but still firm. Once the carrots come to a boil, you want to put a lid on them so that the pressure from the steam can actually soften the carrots. Then reduce the burner to low heat. This is how we lock that smoky flavor all the way into the center, not just the outside. Now here's the step that sells it. Remove the carrots from the pot and place them into a hot frying pan with a little oil. Let them blister. Let them get those dark caramelized char marks, exactly like a hot dog fresh off the grill. This is what makes people do a double take. Not just the taste, the look. Here's a money-saving tip. Double the carrots, but use the same marinade. There's plenty of flavor, and you'll get twice as many hot dogs without doubling the cost. So next time when you're at the cookout and those ribs and chicken say, not for you, you bring this dish that'll have everybody asking for the recipe. Drop a like and leave a comment if you plan on making this recipe. And if you like this one, go watch my smoky black bean burger recipe. Same budget, same plant-based mission, perfect for your next cookout. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.